Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're on the hunt for a mascara that promises long, voluminous lashes without the clumping, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into Benefit Cosmetics' Their Real Beyond Mascara, an iconic mascara designed to curl, lengthen, and separate your lashes for that ultimate wow factor. But does it live up to all the hype? Let's find out. Benefit Cosmetics' Their Real Beyond Mascara is designed to give you length, volume, curl, and separation in one swipe. The glossy, jet black formula ensures that your lashes appear silky smooth, never smudging or flaking throughout the day. Whether you're in the office or out for an evening event, this mascara promises a long-lasting finish that won't disappoint. The star feature of this mascara is its brush. The specially designed wand has staggered bristles that grab lashes right at the root, boosting both length and volume. This gives your lashes an incredibly full appearance. Plus, the custom dome tip uses precision bristles that lift, curl, and define even your tiniest lashes, revealing lashes you didn't even know you had. When I first tried out this mascara, I was impressed by how easy it was to use. The formula glided on effortlessly, and the brush's design made it easy to coat every single lash, even the hard-to-reach ones. I found that it added a noticeable amount of length and volume, especially when applied in layers. What's more, the glossy black finish gave my lashes that lush, dramatic look I was after, without looking too overdone. After several hours of wear, I can confidently say that this mascara stays put. There were no smudges, no flakes, and no clumping. It held up beautifully throughout the day, even during a long work shift. As someone who's constantly on the go, that's a huge win in my book. Now, while the mascara definitely delivers in terms of performance, there are a couple of things to note. The formula is on the thicker side, which is great for building volume, but it can get a little heavy if you go too overboard with multiple layers. If you're looking for a supernatural look, you might want to go light on the application. In terms of value for money, this product falls into the higher end category. But it's worth it if you're looking for a mascara that does it all: length, volume, curl, and separation. The sleek packaging is also a bonus, and the fact that you're getting a pack of 2 makes it even more appealing. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on it, the link is in the comments. While Benefit's mascara is a high-quality choice, there are some alternatives on the market at a lower price point that still provide great volume and length. If you're in the mood for trying something new, mascaras from brands like L'Oreal or Maybelline may offer similar effects, especially if you're looking for a budget-friendly option. Final thoughts: Benefit Cosmetics' Their Real Beyond Mascara delivers on its promises of length, volume, and definition, with a jet black, smudge-proof formula that lasts all day. It's definitely worth considering if you're looking for a mascara that'll make your lashes stand out. That said, if you prefer a lighter, more natural finish, this may not be your go-to. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.